Hey everyone, it's Donna. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope this video finds you well. I've got one couch styled three ways. An easy, inexpensive way to modernize an otherwise older couch. For less than $30, you can buy replacement legs on Amazon for your couch and take it from this to this, a very inexpensive upgrade. Is that chaise part of your couch taking up too much real estate in your small apartment? No problem. Pack it up neatly and tuck it away. I found 4-inch foam at Joann's that was the exact seat size of my couch. Okay, insert that cushion into the chaise slipcover and then the rest of the material just tuck under. And go from a chaise to this. You want the new couch look without the new couch price? I've got the solution and it works for me. Couch slipcovers. Three inexpensive ways to upgrade your existing furniture. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.